We've got a Volkswagen Caddy, we've got flames, we've got a broken splitter. Welcome to Killer Wipers TV. Oh shit. There's another Caddy that's joined the crew. This is Franz. You know, I had the McLaren? Oh, yeah. He's now got a Caddy with a TFSI in it. It's pretty sick, to be fair. Oh, what?
No, you just, I'm busy, mate.
Yeah, no, yeah.
You can just take it now.
Yeah, but then can I get you to do some flybys in it? Cheers, man. Cheers, mine. Yeah, boy.
You know, one of the
blow-ups. Yeah.
I got from Costco.
Yeah.
Just from all like 35 or something. Yeah. The front ones are low because we're trying to do draggy times.
He's put his tyres down for draggy times. Don't get a draggy, it'll ruin your life. He's faster than me. He actually is. Faster than me, man. And he's got less power and he's got a brick to drive. Where is it? I don't even know where it is. Here it is. Oh my God. He's got his breakfast on the seat. Ah, mate. Mate, I need to tidy this up. Oh, Trav. It's used daily, this. Looks like tomatoes. Mate. Right, let's just get all this rubbish out because it's going to be flying around in this van. Oh my God, I need a bin bag. Right, let's go Morrison's. Just cleaning out your van, Trav. It's definitely daily, this. But yeah, Connor was just asking, what's this controller? Obviously, this van inside, this is a proper project, this. Basically, me and Trav went and camped on the roof of this with the tent box on, as you've just seen. And we've got this little pipe, we've got some little mad contraption that Trav's come up with. He's got a night heater that he's going to box in. Basically, the pipes connect here through the back door. Got a little, basically, you take the badge off, won't pull it off because I might break it, looks like it's about to break that. Pull the badge off, then you run the pipe work up, then it goes on the top into the tent, and you've got heat all night. So we slept on the side of literally somewhere in Cumbria, literally on the side of a hill in a tent box, warm all night watching movies, so it's pretty sick. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on cleaning this out and then we'll get to the flames and get to the as bonus of this van. So obviously it pops flames, so have a quick look under the bonnet. This has got a 2 litre TFSI engine in it, and the wiring has been done by Andy Bloxham at Overboost, who's an absolute legend in the Caddy world. I used to have a Caddy called the Death Trap Caddy that I took to him. It had been poorly converted, and my next door neighbour Dan from Dents Removed actually owns it now and he's facelifted it. So do you want to come on a quick look at that, because Andy rewired the entire van. It was that bad. So yeah, let's go and quickly check that out and then we'll get to this. Yes, Dan. Just going to introduce the guys to the Death Trap Caddy. Go and follow him on Instagram.
Death Trap Caddy rebuild.
Yeah, this is another. Look round here, we've just got loads of Asbo Caddies. For some bizarre reason, we all just seem to be building them. This used to be my van. Trav used to own it, and now Dan owns it. And Dan, fair play to him, he's facelifted it, he's just painted it. The beast still lives, Andy. So this is another project that you should go and check out on Instagram, at Death Trap Caddy, also at Dents Removed on Instagram. But yeah, this is going through a lot of changes at the moment. It was fully rewired. It's just absolute. I threw 14 grand at this van, and I know Dan's got quite a few quid in it already. So nice one, Dan. Be on road soon, that won't it? Spitting flames.
Just waiting.
Yeah.
Just waiting for getting in the booth.
Yeah, get in the booth, man.
I've literally got them 3 panels there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Build all the interior then.
Yeah. Sick van that it's just absolutely, it's a 180 stage 2. I think when I had it dynoed it was 236 horsepower, but yeah, Trav bouncing it off the limiter and making the turbo glow orange. Right, man, let's get to Trav's Caddy. Sick. Caddy TFSI, 295 horsepower, stage 2 by Riverside Racing. It's actually a stage 2 plus. This engine actually came out of an EOS, and Riverside Racing have really pushed this engine to its limits. To get that power out of this engine on a standard clutch is absolutely insane. It's probably ready to, I don't know, explode into pieces at some point. But yeah, this van is an absolute weapon. It really is. And there's a lot of people out there who are modifying Caddies at the moment. It's not Nardo grey. It's actually a custom colour that Trav has picked himself. It's actually his corporate colours. And it is absolutely awesome. In the sunlight, it's got so much pearl in this paint, it's insane. So we'll start off at the front end. Okay, so the front end looks absolutely aggressive. It's a Golf 7.5 GTI bumper, cut in half and stitched the original Caddy bumper. Trav is absolutely awesome at repairing stuff, so this hasn't got much filler in it. It's got a little bit of filler, but mainly plastic weld. The headlights, you can't get those anymore. They're an aftermarket LED headlight, look absolutely awesome. Okay, so under the bonnet, this engine's out of an EOS. It's a TFSI BWA engine on the standard KO3 turbo. It's got a ram air induction, a RevG diverter valve. It's got an Autotech high pressure fuel pump. And I think that's about it, to be honest. That's all you really need for stage 2. Obviously, it's got a 3-inch downpipe into a full 3-inch exhaust, and stage 2 plus software from Riverside Racing. Wheels is sat on Clubsport GTi wheels. These are actually the wheels that was on my Clubsport GTi, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4s with Golf GTi Mark 5 discs and pads and calipers. He's actually got R32 calipers and discs to go on this, which will increase the disc size to 345mm. On the back, it's got standard GTI brakes as well. Inside, he's got the Braum seats. He's got a bit of tidying up to do on the brackets where he's welded them in, because they can actually move back and forward. These are not a fixed bucket. GTI steering wheel, an aftermarket Clubsport style gear knob, and the rest of the interior is still being finished. A lot of you guys are building these Caddies, and I just wanted to give you some inspiration. Honestly, this is such a sick van. Let's get it out on the road and see what it can do. Shout out to Andy Bloxham if you're modifying.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Sorry Trav. If you're modifying your Caddy and you're TFSIing it, I strongly recommend to get the wiring done by Andy Bloxham. Don't mess about. Seriously, it's not worth the hassle. I put 14 grand into a 54 plate Caddy, which was a 180, and it was the worst money I've ever spent in my life because it was just pointless. So right now we're in Mexico. We've just flown to Mexico. That is mental, that. Jesus Christ, man. This is asphalt, this. You know what's sick about this? You can go camping in it, you can throw the bikes in the boot, well in the back, and you can drive it as if it's a Golf GTI. Sick, man. Absolute mega build. Would recommend. Riverside Racing have killed the mapping on this. Oh my god. Why me? Why me? What is it with me cars? Blow engines up for fun. Do you remember that Facebook page, Splitter Scuffers? Good job, he's good at bodywork, and I go and tell him now, come on. Fuming. This is in a good mood. Oh yeah, you fixed the Caddy, haven't you? Ish. Sounds expensive. We can't. Yeah, we've just been up the linkway in mine. Where do you reckon?
How did you fix the splitter?
How did he fix it?
Kind of pushed it on. It's not on properly here.
Right.
But it's
Looks better, doesn't it?
on. Ish. Yeah.
Right.